Inuupo pa rin ba siya?
Not really, Doc.
Doc, hinahanap po kayo sa ward.
We know each other already, Doc.
She was my fiancée.
So upcoming bookings so far, photo shoots, news magazine, Denim House, and fashion shows, we have No Atelier and Maison Laurent.
Go, Tita Ninang, go! Ninang! Tita Ninang!
Please, kinapasandali sa hospital.
May malapit na hospital dyan, yung Ramirez Medical.
Can I join you?
Oh,
Okay ka lang?
hey, don't you have a girlfriend?